5 vitamins to stop painful cramps. After 60. You're lying in bed at night fast asleep when suddenly your calf locks up as if someone has twisted it with a wrench. The pain is sharp. It makes you gasp and you bolt upright, clutching your leg. The muscle feels like stone, and even after it releases, the ache lingers into the next day. If you are over 60, this scene may sound painfully familiar. Research from the University of Iowa shows that more than 40% of seniors experience night cramps at least once a week. The good news is this: cramps are not a normal part of aging. They are a signal that your body is missing something, and once you understand what it is, you can fix it naturally. Welcome to Senior Health Tips. This is the channel where we share science-based, natural solutions for anyone over 60 who wants to stay strong, mobile, and independent. If you value your health and want practical advice you can use every single day, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's start with why cramps become so common after 60. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, circulation slows, and nerves transmit signals less efficiently. But there's more. Many medications commonly prescribed at this age, like diuretics for blood pressure or statins for cholesterol, strip your body of vital minerals. Poor sleep and stress push up cortisol levels, which makes muscles tighter and more reactive. Even how you sleep matters. If you curl your legs under heavy blankets, blood flow decreases, and the chance of a midnight cramp rises sharply. According to Mayo Clinic research, older adults with poor sleep are 37% more likely to suffer regular cramps. In other words, cramps are not random. They are the result of deficiencies and habits. So what can you do when a cramp actually strikes? First, stay calm because panic makes the muscle tighten further. Straighten your leg right away. Flex your foot upward toward your knee and hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Use your hand to gently pull your toes back toward you for a deeper stretch. If the pain doesn't release, stand up and press your foot onto a cool floor for a few seconds. The cold helps reset nerve signals. Then massage the calf firmly for 30 to 60 seconds and drink a little warm water. Doctors at the Mayo Clinic confirm this routine restores blood flow and relaxes the muscle within 1 minute. Practice these steps so they become second nature. You'll never feel helpless in the middle of the night again. Now, let's go deeper. Stopping the immediate pain is important, but preventing cramps long-term is the real solution. And that's where 5 specific vitamins come in. Most people know about electrolytes like potassium, but far fewer realize how strongly certain vitamins and minerals protect against cramps. We'll go in order, starting with the nervous system, moving to muscles, then bones, relaxation, and finally, circulation. The first is vitamin B12. B12 is essential for your nervous system because it rebuilds the myelin sheath, the protective insulation around your nerves. Without it, nerves misfire, causing muscles to contract at the wrong time and not release properly. That's a cramp. Seniors are especially prone to low B12 because stomach acid decreases with age and many medications block absorption. A large UK study found that seniors who supplemented with B12 reduced numbness and cramps by 42% in 12 weeks. How should you take it? The best form is sublingual, 1,000 micrograms under the tongue, 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. This bypasses the stomach and goes straight into the bloodstream. Many people report improvements in 10 to 14 days. Signs you may be low include tingling feet, numbness, weakness when standing, and even mild memory problems. The second is vitamin D3. Known as the sunshine vitamin, D3 does more than build bones. It helps your body synthesize muscle protein and reduces inflammation inside the muscle fibers. In a Harvard study, seniors taking D3 had 19% stronger legs and 34% fewer falls. If your legs feel weak and heavy, D3 could be part of the answer. Recommended dose, 2 to 4,000 IU in the evening, always with a snack containing healthy fats such as walnuts, almonds, or avocado. D3 is fat-soluble, so absorption is poor without fat. And always choose D3, not D2, because D3 is far more effective. The third is vitamin K2. While D3 loads calcium into your body, K2 decides where that calcium goes. Without K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries, causing stiffness and even higher cramp risk. With K2, calcium goes into your bones, strengthening your skeleton and helping muscles contract and release properly. Dutch research showed seniors improved balance by 31% after just 8 weeks of K2 supplementation. Recommended dose: 100 to 200 micrograms of the MK7 form paired with D3 at night with a snack that contains fat. One safety note: if you are taking blood thinners such as warfarin, always consult your doctor before adding K2. The fourth is magnesium. If calcium is the signal to contract, magnesium is the signal to relax. Without it, muscles stay in a contracted state, leading directly to cramps. Unfortunately, many older adults are magnesium deficient because it's stripped from processed foods and lost through certain medications. A German study on 200 seniors found that magnesium supplementation cut cramp frequency by 40% in just 4 weeks. The best forms are magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate, taken after dinner in doses of 250 to 400 milligrams. These forms absorb well and are gentle on the stomach. Signs of deficiency include restless legs, twitching, difficulty sleeping, and even constipation. If you have kidney disease, speak with your doctor about the safe dose for you. The fifth is vitamin E. This one surprises many people. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that improves circulation and oxygen delivery to your muscles. Poor blood flow is a hidden cause of cramps. When muscles are starved of oxygen, they spasm. In U.S. studies, seniors supplementing with vitamin E improved lower leg circulation by 34% after 12 weeks. Recommended dose: 200 to 400 IU of natural vitamin E, labeled D-alpha tocopherol, with dinner. Signs of deficiency include cold feet, slow healing bruises, and leg fatigue when walking. If you take blood thinners, use caution with high doses of vitamin E and always check with your doctor. Now, let's put these vitamins together into a simple evening routine that takes just 10 minutes. Step 1. Prepare your vitamins on a small tray. Place B12, D3 with K2, magnesium, and vitamin E in order, along with a glass of water or warm tea. Step 2. Soak your feet in warm water at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, which provides magnesium, or a few slices of ginger. While soaking, gently flex and point your toes to encourage blood flow. Dry your feet and wear thin socks. Step 3. Do a 5-minute stretch. Stand facing a wall, step 1 foot back, and press the heel into the floor for 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat 3 times. Then do ankle circles 10 times each direction. And finally 15 heel raises to pump blood through the calves. Step 4. Take your vitamins in the right order. After a light snack with fat, take D3, K2, and vitamin E. After dinner, take magnesium. 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach, take B12 under the tongue. Step 5. Set up your sleeping position. Avoid heavy blankets pressing on your feet. Keep the room comfortably warm and wear socks if your feet get cold. Habits during the day also make a big difference. Every 45 minutes of sitting, stand up and move for 2 or 3 minutes. Drink water regularly instead of gulping it all at once. Aim for a small glass every 90 minutes. Keep dinner light. Protein and greens instead of sugary desserts or greasy fried foods. These changes improve vitamin absorption and reduce cramp triggers. Let's also cover the common mistakes that keep cramps coming back. The first mistake is sitting or standing in one position for hours. Muscles and veins need movement. The second is overhydrating at once. Drinking a liter of water before bed dilutes electrolytes and may wake you for the bathroom. The third is eating heavy dinners loaded with sugar and fat, which interferes with how your body processes vitamins. And the fourth mistake is thinking more supplements are always better. Vitamins have safe limits. Too much vitamin D or E, for example, can cause serious side effects. Always aim for balance. So what results can you realistically expect? In the first 1 to 2 weeks, you may notice deeper sleep and fewer small twitches at night. By weeks 3 to 4, night cramps should become less frequent, and your legs may feel lighter in the morning. After 6 to 8 weeks, most people see stronger legs, improved balance, and more confidence walking or climbing stairs. Keep a simple journal. Write down how many cramps you experience, your pain level from 0 to 10, and how you slept. After a month, you'll see your progress clearly in writing, which is very motivating. Let's quickly recap the formula. 5 vitamins: B12 for nerve repair, D3 for muscle strength, K2 for calcium direction, magnesium for muscle relaxation, and vitamin E for circulation. 5 habits: warm foot soak, 5-minute stretch, steady hydration, light dinner with healthy fats, and proper sleeping posture. Do them consistently and you'll break the cycle of cramps for good. Remember, night cramps are not destiny. They are signals that your body is out of balance. And the good news is, you can restore that balance. With the right nutrients and a few simple habits, your nights can be peaceful and your mornings powerful. If you found this video helpful, please click like, share it with a friend or loved one, and subscribe to Senior Health Tips. Turn on the bell so you never miss a weekly update. Together, let's make life after 60 not just longer, but stronger, steadier, and more joyful.